Hi everybody, now we're at day 8 of Junk Journal January 2024 and today it's neutral, and I just have to say I finished my first week. So yesterday I had a day of rest. I have been doing way too much peopling and I just rested. And that's a good thing. So today I thought, being as it's neutral, I would make a few more little, well, this is like a snippet, sort of a little cluster sort of thing. So I thought I'd make some neutral clusters with the stapler. I've got for sewing, I've got a little, just little tub of tiny weeny pieces. So I thought I'd get some more neutral scraps out of there, make a few little bits and pieces. Just grab my scissors. I've been cutting up a gorgeous antique tablecloth that I got, and this is just one little bit of embellishment that's on it. Now, it was a bit stained, it was old, so I don't mind if it's quite stained and they've obviously tried to get the stains out. I do not mind at all trying to cut it up and use the parts. Oh, they're not good scissors. So neutral can be white or off-white or cream. I mean, neutral could mean lots of different things to lots of different people. Let me see. I was thinking I was just going to make a whole heap ready to go. All right, I'm going to do that. All right, just little bits. A little bit of the flannel I've been using for the Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. So just helter-skelter them. A bit sticky whiff. Today is absolutely pouring here. Yeah, most days we're saying you wouldn't believe it's summer. You just really wouldn't. I like that idea of that one there. Just some cute little bits. And also I was looking at these. I like this idea. Bit of paper. Save them for another day. Now the paper ones with the paper at the back, I can use a glue stick to stick them in. So I'm going to put one near the front. Neutral. Day 8. Put a couple more in. I can still actually use a glue stick for material, but I might find that it doesn't always stay. I think I might have to use the glue, the fabric glue, or you could use a hot glue gun actually. I did find my hot glue gun, could be using that, but here we go. I like the idea of that being there. All right, so this one might be nice on the flapper here. Oops. To help open and close. So this is day 8. No, that's week 3. Skipped one. I'll put the last one in, and then I am going to go back Alright, let's put, oh, there's 2 more. Right, let's have this so there's a bit sticking up and out, because I like that look. Like, I don't know what's going to be coming up. And I can cover that with something else. Some of these pages are starting to fill up. I love it. All right, that's neutral. So I just want to, here's week 2, day 8. Well, I've just done my video, and today, after my big day of rest, when I have a big day of rest, a real no people day, I find that the next day I do a lot of cleaning. So it's, aside from making my video today, it's a big cleaning and laundry day. That's the main thing today. That's a bit boring, isn't it? Never mind. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.